Hey everyone, this is Fabio with the D2 conference. I am happy to announce that the D2 is back live in Vienna this 26th and 27th of August. And as a big bonus for all of the attendees of the D2, on the 25th of August, so one day before the actual conference, we're going to host a workshop about design in the field of architectural visualization. I'm going to explain what that is in just a second. Now, the workshop is going to be hosted by our friends at REDVERTEX, one of the leading companies in the field of architectural visualization. REDVERTEX was created in 2008 with offices in London, Sofia, and Dubai, a team of over 160 architects, designers, and illustrators. It has won many different awards, so they are the perfect partners for this workshop. The workshop is going to cover the topic of designing buildings during the visualization process. You see, some of the top companies in the industry are those firms that get hired on the basis that they can help architects and designers with their own visualization skills, not only to visualize a building, but also to come up with better design solutions for their projects. In other words, these companies do not only create images, they get hired to contribute to the creation of a project. Some of the topics that will be covered will be communication with clients, understanding and interpreting clients' ideas, pipeline, production, and the delivery of work. If you're a freelancer or if you have a small design business, this workshop can be very helpful to raise the value of your services. Even though the instructors are going to use 3ds Max, this workshop is not going to be software centered, so you can follow no matter which tool you use. I want to give a big thank you to our friends at REDVERTEX for sponsoring this event. They have created an international academy with different courses starting this fall, which will also cover the topic of this workshop. So make sure that you check the links in the description, and see you guys in Vienna on the 25th, 26th, and 27th of August.